These are the tools required for this procedure. Make sure the trailer is supported according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Chock all wheels while working underneath the trailer. Disconnect the safety chain from the footpad. Then, using a 3/4 inch socket, turn the hex coupler clockwise to lower the footpad to allow access to the catch pawl. Do not use an impact drill as it can damage the mechanism. Then pull on the catch ball to lower the drop leg halfway. Next, use a 9/16 inch socket and wrench to remove the footpad nut. Then carefully slide out the footpad bolt, taking special care to not lose the spacers. Set aside the hardware and footpad for later use. Next, lower the outer arm to the ground. Next, pull up the catch paw and slide the drop leg out of the inner arm and discard. Then use a 7/16 inch socket and wrench to remove the nut and bolt securing the catch ball to the inner arm. Then remove the catch paw and discard. If needed, insert the plastic bushing into the new catch paw eyelet. Apply tension to loosen the coil of the spring by pinching the straight wing of the spring towards the bent wing. Install the spring onto the catch paw by looping the coil over the edge of the bushing. Make sure the bent wing of the spring hooks over and rests on the top edge of the catch paw. Press the straight wing of the spring against the edge of the inner arm to align the holes in the catch paw assembly and the catch paw mounting bracket. Then, apply light tension to the spring by pulling the catch paw towards the inner arm to allow for the holes to align. While holding in place, secure it to the inner arm by sliding the bolt through the aligned holes. Then, using a 7/16 inch socket and wrench, screw the nut onto the bolt to secure it in place. Pull up on the catch paw and slide the new drop leg into the inner arm and lock into place. Then raise the outer arm up and align the footpad mounting holes on the outer arm with the footpad mounting holes on the drop leg. Then place the footpad into position by aligning the footpad holes with the previous aligned mounting holes on the drop leg and outer arm. Place the footpad spacers into the correct positions between the footpad and outer arms, and insert the footpad mounting bolt to pin the outer arm spacers, footpad, and drop leg together. Then use the 9/16 inch socket and wrench to screw the nut onto the bolt to secure it in place.